Okay, friends, for writing center, we're going to take our spider and we're going to number our spider legs. So I'm going to write the number one, straight line down, then you're done. The number word O-N-E, one, and then I'm going to draw one dot. Then I'm going to move on to my next leg. I'm going to write the number two, around and back across the railroad track. Two, the number word two, T-W-O, and I'm going to draw two dots. You're going to do the rest just like this. So the number word, and then a dot representation. Again, the number word, and then a dot representation. Then, friends, you can also draw eyes on your spider. I'm going to draw 8 eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Friends, I also added the numbers and the number words to the word wall on your slides so that you can see how to spell our number words. So again, you're going to write the number word, and make a dot representation, and you can add your spider eyes. I will see you guys back soon.